10 cool things to buy from Amazon. Amazon is a treasure trove of amazing gadgets and tools that can make your daily life more exciting, productive, and fun. Whether you're looking for something to spice up your workspace, enhance your hobbies, or simply make your routine easier, there's no shortage of cool stuff to explore. With countless innovative products, you can find items that blend cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality. Rupital Auto Face Tracking Tripod. If you're someone who loves making videos or capturing dynamic moments, the Rupital Auto Face Tracking Tripod is a game changer. This gadget uses smart artificial intelligence technology to track your face as you move, ensuring you're always in the frame. Whether you're filming a vlog, live streaming, or taking hands-free selfies, this tripod acts like your personal cameraman. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to set up, making it perfect for both professionals and casual users. What sets this tripod apart is its versatility. You don't need to fiddle with controls or adjust the camera manually. It seamlessly follows your movements, even if you're pacing around the room. It's compatible with most smartphones and apps, making it a must-have for creators and content enthusiasts. With this device, you can focus on being your creative self while it takes care of the technical side, ensuring flawless video every time. Meter Plus. Calling all foodies and BBQ lovers, the Meter Plus is about to transform the way you cook. This wireless meat thermometer connects to your smartphone, giving you real-time updates on your food's temperature and cooking progress. It's perfect for grilling, roasting, or smoking, ensuring that your steaks, chicken, or roasts are cooked to perfection every time. The genius of the Meter Plus lies in its precision and simplicity. You just insert the probe into your meat, connect it to the app, and let the device do the rest. It even provides estimated cooking times and step-by-step instructions, so you can say goodbye to overcooked meals and hello to restaurant-quality results. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this gadget takes the guesswork out of cooking and makes meal preparation a joy. Govee Smart LED Light Bars. Transform your living space into a vibrant, dynamic environment with Govee Smart LED Light Bars. These lights bring a pop of color and ambience to any room, whether you're setting the mood for a movie night, gaming session, or party. Controlled via an app or voice commands, you can choose from millions of colors, synchronize them with music, or set custom scenes to match your vibe. What's more, these light bars are incredibly versatile. You can mount them behind your TV for an immersive backlighting effect, or place them around your room to create a futuristic atmosphere. They're energy efficient and easy to install, making them a fantastic addition to your smart home setup. With Govee LED light bars, your space becomes a canvas for creativity, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. Clevidog. If you're a pet owner, the Clevidog is a must-have for your furry friend. This ingenious device is designed to keep your dog entertained, active, and happy while you're busy. It's an automatic ball launcher that throws balls at varying distances, keeping your pup engaged and exercised. Not only does the Clevidog provide endless fun for your pet, but it's also perfect for busy pet parents. It's easy to use, durable, and can be customized to suit your dog's energy level and play style. With this gadget, you can ensure your dog gets their daily dose of exercise, even if you're stuck on a Zoom call or running errands. It's a thoughtful way to show your four-legged friend how much you care. Logitech G Power Play. Gamers, rejoice! The Logitech G Power Play is a revolutionary wireless charging system for gaming mice that eliminates the hassle of battery replacements. It's a mouse pad that charges your compatible mouse while you play, ensuring uninterrupted gaming sessions and peak performance. This gadget is a dream come true for anyone who takes gaming seriously. You'll never have to worry about your mouse dying mid-match or fumbling with charging cables. The PowerPlay system is sleek, responsive, and built for precision, making it an essential tool for competitive gamers and casual players alike. With Logitech G PowerPlay, you can focus entirely on your game without any distractions. HoloLens Lark 150. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or someone who loves high-quality audio, the HoloLens Lark 150 is a microphone system that delivers studio-grade sound on the go. It's compact, wireless, and comes with dual transmitters, making it ideal for interviews, podcasts, and video shoots. What makes this device stand out is its clarity and convenience. The sound quality is top-notch, ensuring that your voice is captured perfectly, even in noisy environments. It's easy to set up and works seamlessly with cameras, smartphones, and other recording devices. With the HoloLens Lark 150, you can elevate your audio game and produce professional quality content effortlessly. LiveStraw Peak Water Filters. For adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, the LiveStraw Peak water filters are a lifesaver. This portable device filters out bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, allowing you to safely drink water from almost any source. Whether you're hiking, camping, or traveling, it ensures that you stay hydrated and healthy. The LiveStraw is lightweight, durable, and incredibly easy to use. Simply sip through the straw, and the advanced filtration system does the rest. It's perfect for emergency situations or trips to remote areas where clean water might not be readily available. With LiveStraw, you can enjoy your adventures without worrying about water quality. Lark Bottle PureVis 2. Say goodbye to funky-tasting water with the Lark Bottle PureVis 2. This self-cleaning water bottle uses UVC light technology to eliminate bacteria and odors, keeping your water fresh and your bottle odor-free. It's perfect for busy lifestyles and eco-conscious individuals who want to ditch single-use plastics. The bottle is sleek, durable, and designed for maximum convenience. With the push of a button, it cleans itself and your water in just 60 seconds. Plus, it keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12, making it a versatile companion for any activity. The Lark Bottle PureVis 2 is not just a water bottle. It's a smarter way to stay hydrated. Canon IB2 Mini Photo Printer. Capture and share your favorite moments instantly with the Canon IB2 Mini Photo Printer. This compact device connects to your smartphone, allowing you to print photos on the go. It's perfect for creating scrapbooks, personalizing gifts, or simply cherishing your memories in a tangible form. The printer uses Zinc Zero Ink technology, so you don't have to worry about messy cartridges. The photos are smudge-proof, water-resistant, and out of sticky bag, so you can turn them into fun stickers. With the Canon IB2, you can unleash your creativity and turn everyday moments into lasting keepsakes. Wave 2 of Maven Filters. For coffee lovers, the Wave 2 of Maven Filters is a game-changer. These advanced filters elevate your brewing experience, ensuring that every cup of coffee is rich, smooth, and full of flavor. They're designed to fit various brewing methods, from pour-over to French press, giving you ultimate versatility. What sets these filters apart is their attention to detail. They're made from high-quality materials that enhance the extraction process, allowing the full spectrum of flavors to shine through. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just someone who loves a good cup of joe, Maven Filters will take your brewing game to the next level. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.